Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are making deliciously baked courgettes with a tasty savoury filling. So let's get started. So we have fresh garden harvested courgettes. You can use any courgettes you like, and we are cutting them in halves and taking out the filling of the courgettes, which we're going to leave aside because we're going to use that later. And now we are making the filling. We're just going to add a bit of oil and heat that up. You could use any meat you want or no meat. We're using salmon for our filling. Now that I let the oil heat up a bit, I'm going to add onions, chopped onions, and let them turn golden brown. Then we're adding a block of ginger and garlic paste and letting that melt in. And then we're going to add red chili powder. You can make it as spicy as you want or not as spicy as you want. Then we're adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then we're adding mixed masala and giving that a good mix. Don't forget the salt. So we put in the bell pepper, and then we're going to put in the courgette filling that we scooped out earlier. Then we are adding salmon to ours. Then we are going to cook this on a low flame for 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to half boil our courgettes just to make them a little softer, not fully boil them. Once they are done, we are placing the courgettes onto an oven-proof tray. So it's been 10 minutes and we're just adding some coriander leaves to our filling before putting it inside the courgettes. Now just simply place your filling in the courgettes. Now we're just putting our courgettes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 5 minutes to cook. So this is it, a very quick, simple, easy, healthy recipe for you guys to try. Let me know in the comments how you find it, and subscribe for more videos from me, and thanks for watching. Bye.